Has your ex-spouse passed away and nobody's doing anything about it? Would you like to step in? Here's some things you should know. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, and we're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families every day. If you do need some assistance with setting up your estate plan, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. We'd be happy to help. So, your ex-spouse passed away and nobody's doing anything about it. Can you step in? The answer is yes, but it would take a lot of doing because you're just deemed like, I don't know, a friend, if that, right? So, how do you go about helping? Really, the family members of that individual, which may be your own children with your ex, need to be present and stepping into that role. If the person had an estate plan and you had been designated, even though you're now divorced, unless they updated their estate plan subsequent to your divorce to name you as the executor or trustee, then there's a severance that happens there, and you would not typically have that right. Again, you do have to check state law. Here in New York and New Jersey, that is the case. So again, if you're an ex-spouse and you were previously designated as the executor or trustee, you do not necessarily have the right to step into that role unless it was implemented, that plan was implemented following your divorce. Again, you can reach out to the family members, which may be your own adult children, if that's the case, to step in and take the reins as either executor or trustee under the plan or an administrator through a process in the court for the closest living relatives. If there really is nobody else and you've done all the due diligence of checking, there's no children present, adult children present, there's no siblings, there's no nieces, nephews, and absolutely nobody exists, then maybe you can step into the role. But there's usually a pretty high due diligence hurdle to get you there. Hope that information is helpful and that you choose to share. We can help some folks together along the way. Again, Val Zammitti of Zammitti Law. Have a good one.